Here begins our journey with a comforting dish. Fresh ingredients await. Garlic with its bold aroma. Bright parsley, finely grated Parmesan, tender chicken, and golden pasta ready for the final touch. We start by mincing the garlic, chopping the parsley, and grating the Parmesan to unlock their flavors. The chicken is seasoned with salt and pepper, then seared until golden and fragrant, locking in its juices. In the same pan, butter melts, garlic releases its aroma, cream is poured in, Parmesan melts slowly, and together they form a silky, luscious sauce. The pasta joins the sauce, the chicken returns, and everything is tossed until each strand is coated with flavor. A sprinkle of parsley on top, a gentle fork twirl, and the dish is complete. Creamy garlic chicken pasta, simple in ingredients, rich in taste, and a meal that feels like home.